Hi, Bio11A, and welcome to week 14, where we've got Thanksgiving week. So this is a short week for us, and I hope you all have really a great break. I've been a great E.O. Wilson. He's one of my heroes, that biologist. I think he's amazing. So I'm a little behind on that, but I did take a look at your slew, and that is so great that you were able to make it out there. And I have some amazing drawings of ducks, of egrets, of jellyfish, and what are some of the other ones that I looked at? Let's see, mushrooms. And so I'm delighted that you were able to do that. That's a really great habitat. So interesting. Such a nursery for what's out in the ocean. So short week this week. You don't have a lab. It makes it easier. It's just a lecture. Next week is sort of a review week, and then beyond that is finals. So we've made it to the end, and thanks for hanging in with me. I know it's tough. This remote stuff is tough, but you've done a great job. So on we move, and I'll talk to you next week. Happy Turkey Day. Bye.